Hi, this is Jason here from ForexPipSnager and Forex UTurn. Today is October the 5th, 2011. If I seem to sound a little uh, out of the weather here, it's because I am. I'm not feeling very well today. I believe the sickness has caught up to me. I haven't been sick in over 3 years now, and um, I every time I do start to feel my throat get scratchy or feel it in my sinuses, I automatically gargle my throat with warm salt water, and it usually kills it instantly. Anyway, I think it caught me today before I could do that. I'm not feeling too good, so anyway, let's do the video here. Okay, 10 o'clock GMT. Very choppy here. There was, yeah, I guess there was a trade here. Let's see. Yeah, it would have been right here at about 5 after 10. 5 after 3. Excuse me. Okay. At about 5 after 3, there was a enter to buy here once we broke through this support. And basically, you would have stopped, would have been right here where price is right now. 32.93. Excuse me. So anyway, it never would have done any justice for you, and it would have came down. They would have got your stop. Sons of bitches, eh? Okay. So anyway, then we had a double bottom here. Came up. Here is another signal. Okay, to sell, and it did break the low. Actually, when it gave you the sell signal, it was basically bouncing off of here. Okay, so there was no sell signal here. Then it did break through support. Okay, through here, through here. Let's put it. But and it bounced through here too. And then it came back up. So if you would have sold again, well, it didn't work out. Look at it, just shot right up. Very, 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 very choppy situation in here. So anyway, this here was not a trade signal. The filter was blue. And right here, okay, this would have been your trigger to sell. Okay, and that was at 11 o'clock. That's basically when we stopped looking for trades. Yes, that was at 11 o'clock. So anyway, that was about your only real legitimate signal was right there. We definitely broke through all support through here. Okay, so let's move on to the 1 minute. Let's delete that. Go to the 1 minute, and we'll take the auto scroll off. Okay, go back in time. There we go. Okay, so no, there was no trade here. It was squeezed together. The trigger and trend line were kissing each other. There was no trade there. Then it came down really quick, broke through support. Oh, you may have wanted to sell it here, but really the ideal trade setup would have been if one of these bars came back up and came back to the trigger line. But even then, at that point, see, they bounced basically off this level here. So there would have been no trade there. Okay. Let's move on. Here, it went up too far too fast for my liking, but if you wanted to, could have got into it somewhere in here. And I don't know, guys, eventually you would have got your 10 pips. Yeah, you would have got it by here. Okay. So there's one trade. It's a little risky looking, but that was one trade. Then this one here did not line up. Yeah, this one was blue. It did not line up. Yeah, that was the only trade, was right here. So you would have got in on the 937 bar. Okay, so that's pretty much it for the euro. We'll go to the pound now, and it's not much better. It's very choppy too. Okay, so we broke through support here. If you would have got short right there, you made a few pips, and they came up and got your stop. Same thing as in the with the euro. And then here there was no trade. Here we, oh boy, excuse me. Here there was no trade again. Could have bought a dip here maybe once it just broke the high here, and didn't go much higher either, and then it came back down. Then we got this gap size here, and it didn't line up in the filter. There was no trade here. And here, yeah, same thing as the euro, pretty much at 1800 or 5 to 10 or 5 to 11, 11 o'clock gave you the sell signal, and it isn't going anywhere. So this day really blows chunks, ladies and gentlemen. Okay, let's move on to the Swissy now. Okay, the Swissy. No. Yeah, I guess there was a trade right here, but look, it just kept coming down. Almost hit your stop and came back up. You probably would have got out after that. And same thing, never went anywhere, came down. Let's see. So yeah, you could have sold it somewhere in here. It did break through if you would have sold it there. There's 40 pips to the bottom. That was a trade here on the Swissy. There was no trade in here because there was nothing in the filter, did not line up. Same thing here, got you to buy here at about 10 after 11 here, or 11 o'clock or so. And it basically hasn't gone anywhere either. That's it for the Swissy. Let's now move on to Forex UTurn. Okay, gave us a nice, beautiful M here to sell, right near the Asia session. And then didn't go anywhere. And turned around, gave a W. Okay, but in the filter, it never told you to sell. It was all blue. Okay. So only high-risk traders that took this trade, they would have lost. Conservative, they would have been okay with the W. If you would have got in long, you didn't make very many pips here either. It was a bad day. Let's look at the pound now. Same thing, gave the sell fake. Look, there's nothing in the filter at all. And now it's telling you to sell again, with the red filter confirming it. Not a good day. Yawning again. I'm so sorry. I'm just not feeling well. Anyway, that's it for the videos today. Thanks, and we hope to see you tomorrow. Hopefully I'll be feeling better. Have a great day.